I'm Bob Crevaux from Wayne Auto Works. We truly are the dealership alternative. We like to consider ourselves a step above the competitive shops in the area. People need to know that there is an alternative to bringing that new car to the dealership to get it serviced. The service writer is the salesman. The communication between him and that technician to solve your problem is not necessarily very good. When you come into our shop, the communication is very strong. You'll feel very relaxed. Anyone who has their car serviced or repaired here will be in direct contact with the technician who is working on their car. I always tell the people when they first come into this facility, we don't spend your money. You will be contacted. Before they walk in this door, they know how much their bill is. We also get into the habit, which is very important, drive the car before and after the job. Myself and the customer, Wayne Auto Works, we're all on the same page. We're talking about the same problem and the same noise. We do a lot of Jeeps, classic Corvette car repair, brake jobs, transmissions, engines.
I've been coming to Bob's for 30 years. 2 cars broke down in LBI, and both times Bob was there to go all the way down there with his flatbed, to bring 2 cars home within the same week and save me thousands of dollars. He's been a friend to me too, and to my family. He's helped my son out, he's helped my daughter out, not only repairing the cars, but when they needed some help with purchasing a car.
We use a lot of original equipment parts here. We do warranty 12,000 to 24,000 miles, depending on the item. The car gets fixed right the first time. And if there is a problem, rare, we're gonna take care of that problem. I always tell my technicians, God forbid you get that comeback, you jump on that vehicle right away. Whether you have a check engine light, large, small, medium problem, we're here for you. Drive in, book your appointment online, or of course the conventional phone call.